step-by-step guide to reading inspection reports. Inspection reports can look intimidating, filled with technical terms, codes, and red flags. But once you learn how to read them, they become your best friend in real estate. Let's go step by step so you can read it like a pro. Step 1. Start with the summary page. Every inspection report includes a summary that lists major concerns. These are the items that need attention right away, like roof leaks, foundation issues, or electrical hazards. This section helps you understand the deal breakers versus the minor fixes. Always start here before diving into the details. Step 2. Review structural components. Focus on the foundation, framing, and roof sections. These are the bones of the property. If there are cracks, sagging beams, or water damage, it could mean costly repairs down the road. Step 3. Check the mechanical systems. This includes plumbing, HVAC, and electrical systems that impact your daily comfort and safety. Step 4. Note the minor issues. Don't ignore small items like chipped paint, loose handrails, or broken outlets. While they may seem minor, the total cost of fixing them can add up quickly after closing. Step 5. Ask questions and follow up. Don't hesitate to ask questions and clarify details. If something feels unclear, request a walkthrough to see the problem in person. When you know how to read an inspection report, you make decisions based on facts, not fear. It's one of the smartest skills every homeowner or investor can develop. I'm Anita Mora, and I help buyers and sellers get the deals they deserve with clarity, confidence, and strategy at every step. If you want to make smarter property decisions, let's connect and review your next inspection report together.